This video is about to review for solving polynomial inequalities. We got to use the sign diagram to solve polynomial inequalities. Remember, in general, when a linear factor has an odd power, there is a change of a sign about that zero. When a linear factor has an even power, there is no sign change about that zero. So you need to check the exponents of that linear factor. First of all, we need to figure out all zeros. x1 equals 0. X minus 7 equals 0. Therefore, we got x2 equals 7. 2x plus 5 equals 0. Therefore, x3 equals negative 5 over 2. Then we need to draw number line. We got the negative 5 over 2, 0 and 7. Get a special number. Let's do 1. So need to plug in. We plug this special number 1 to this inequality. We got 3 times 1. 1 minus 7. 2 times 1 plus 5 squared. Then check the sign. We got 3 positive. 1 is positive. 1 minus 7 is negative. 2 times 1 plus 5 squared is a positive. Therefore, when we plug 1 into this polynomial, we got a negative number. So we put the negative for this interval including 1. Then check for each root. From which factor you get this root. Then what's the exponents of that factor? For example, for this 0, we got 0 from this factor, that x. X is to the first power. That means odd power. Odd power means you have changed the sign about this 0. Therefore, we got this part is positive. Then we need to check this one, negative 5 over 2. That's the factor is here. Look at the exponents. That's even. Even power, no sign change. If this interval is positive, which means the neighbor interval will be positive. Then check 7. 7 is we got from x minus 7, this factor. Then it's to the first power. That means odd power. Therefore, we have change. This is a plus. Then for this inequality, we're looking for greater than or equal to 0. We need to put the closed circle for these zeros, because for angry face. Then positive interval will be your solution. Then from here to here. Then from here to here. Now we need to write down the solutions. We put the negative infinity here, positive infinity. It will be from negative infinity to this 0. Union set 7 to positive infinity. This will be the solution to this inequality. Now let's go to number 2. Same thing, we need to get the all zeros. For x1 equals. Negative 4 is a factor but cannot be 0 forever. Therefore, I ignore this negative 4. We set up 5 minus 2x equal to 0. Therefore, x1 equals 5 over 2. Then for x2, we set up 2x plus 7 equal to 0. Then we got the x2 equals negative 7 over 2. Then we need to draw a number line. We got negative 7 over 2 and 5 over 2. Special number, let's go to 0. So we plug 0 to the left side of this polynomial. We got f of 0 equals negative 4 times 5 minus 2 times 0 squared times 2 times 0 plus 7. Just check the sign. This is a negative. 4 is a positive. This one is a positive. This is a positive. So we got the negative sign for this interval. Then need to check for each root. For this negative 7 over 2, we got from this factor. That's all the power because this is to the first power. We need to change the sign. So negative for this side, and then we got to do positive for this side. Then check 5 over 2 now. For the 5 over 2, we got from this factor. Exponents is 2. For even power, there's no sign change, which means that this is still negative. We are looking for greater than 0. No equal sign according to this happy face. We know this is an open circle. Greater than 0 means this interval. Therefore, the solution will be from negative infinity to negative 7 over 2, open parentheses. This will be the solution to this inequality.